YouTube. It's been a while, I think 2 weeks to be exact. As you all know, I started a new job recently, and I've been putting all of my effort there. I haven't really had much time to record. Like, if you work social media, basically it's an everyday thing, and somehow it's like I'm treating my the brand that I handle as my personal Instagram. So like I've been on there a lot more than my personal Instagram. It's been quite hard for me to distinguish like personal and work social media, and with that comes YouTube and recording, and I don't know, it just feels like if I've just been adjusting to having work again, but it's almost lunchtime now. I'm snacking on oh no, it fell. I'm snacking on nuts using this like tiny bowl that I got from Hiraya Ceramics on Instagram. I actually got this for free because I ordered, well, not me, my boyfriend ordered a mug for me from them, and this was in the package, so thank you, Hiraya. I'm currently watching Margoli, which is kind of why I was inspired to go and open up my camera and click record. Today is a Wednesday, which is the day that I usually do alignment meetings with the graphic designer Sam that I work with, and always look forward to these calls because we get along well. We always get a lot covered, and yeah, we just get along well. I've spent the morning just updating my planner, writing stuff down, and fixing the content calendar for work, and I ordered sisig to treat myself, and it comes with rice, which on the diet that I'm doing, I'm not allowed to eat rice, so I'm just gonna have the sisig with fried egg. I'm excited. I'll show you guys when it gets here. So my food arrived. I got sisig from Sisig Hooray. Came with a spork, and there's calamansi. I got an extra egg. I got the double serving of sisig because I'm not allowed to eat rice, and it's tempting because it's right there, but it's okay. I'm strong. My hair looks crazy. I just had lunch. I finished my sisig, drinking water. I'm about to have a meeting with the graphic designer, and yeah, it was so tempting to eat my sisig with the rice, but sayang diet ko if I cheat, so I stayed strong. I didn't eat rice, but it's 1:37 p.m. We are about to have our alignment meeting. I have my journal. I have a planner with me so that I can write down what we need to do. And yeah, this bracelet, by the way, I made has my dog's name on it. Order from Shop Flat Cat. Shameless plug. We just finished our meeting. It's 2:30. I'm gonna make some hot coffee with MCT oil and butter. Before you get grossed out, it's a thing. It's called bulletproof coffee, and people who do keto drink it all the time. So I'm gonna do that now. I just made my coffee. It stopped raining, so now it's super humid and my coffee is hot. So I don't know how long it's gonna take me to finish it, but it's 3:12. Probably gonna finish drinking it by 4, work out by 4:30. In the meantime, while I'm on my desk, I'm gonna work. Yeah. Look at my nails. I was able to grow them long and shape them into like ballerina nails, I think is what you call it. I don't know if you guys notice on my Instagram or if you even follow me on Instagram, but last year, I think it was also June, I started doing my nails at home. I would either use polygel nails or this one, fake acrylic nails, and I got really into them because ever since, my biggest frustration was that I would never ever be able to grow my nails. My nails, ever since I can remember, have always been flimsy. Like, I could never grow them long because they would start breaking. And you know, it's true what they say when you get fake nails, like I was doing myself, that your nails get even thinner. And I started getting like infections around my finger. It was gross. Like, it wasn't uncomfortable, but it would get itchy sometimes, and there would be like water. So I had to stop after like months and months and months of doing polygel nails. Maybe it was the UV light that was doing it, but I did my nails so much that from using the UV light, my hands were much darker than the rest of my body. But now that I haven't used polygel or acrylics on my nails for maybe 4 months, my nails have been the strongest that they've ever been. And I was able to grow them this long and shape them like this, and they haven't broke. So it's exciting. Purge your nails because it will make them strong. It's 6 p.m. I just finished working out. It started raining just as I finished my workout. It's raining super hard. I'm not sure if you guys can hear it, but I'll try to show you. Let me open the windows. Yeah? Raining super hard, but if you're Like me, the rainy weather actually makes me happy. Maybe I'm living in the wrong country, but I prefer rainy weather over sunny weather. But yeah, I just did a cat method fire yoga routine. I'm quite sore because I've been doing bar workouts, which is what I did yesterday, and I love it so much that I actually purchased those bar anti-slip socks so that my feet won't be slipping on my yoga mat because that's dangerous. But yeah, I'm gonna take a shower. We're probably gonna have dinner in a while. It's 8:30. I finished having dinner quite early, but I just spent some time in bed playing with Nacho, who is sleeping right now. It's a rainy night, so usually I drink warm lemon water at night, but since it's rainy, I wanted to feel extra cozy, so I made some hot chocolate, sugar-free, and I'm wearing this cropped hoodie that I have not really worn since I bought it, and I'm wearing the Dare to Bear tights of Machita Activewear, which is the brand that I have been working for. This is what it looks like. There is a hidden pocket here so that like you can put your phone. It feels like it's just skin. Honestly, it's so comfortable and it's super soft, but it's still squat proof. So yeah, I right now am on Discord with my friends, but I think no one's online, so I'm probably just gonna watch some YouTube videos and update my laptop. So I just finished reading some chapters of Emily Henry's People We Meet on Vacation, and before I fix my bed and go to sleep, I just want to say thank you guys for watching my video even if I was gone for 2 weeks. Like I said, I'm still adjusting to like having boundaries between my personal Instagram and the brand that I'm handling, and basically just time management. Yeah, I'm very, very happy with my current job. I love my boss. I love the graphic designer that I work with, and everything's flowing smoothly. Laptop's still updating, so I'll probably wake up in the middle of the night to unplug it, but thank you for watching this week's vlog, and I will see you guys next week. Hopefully. Bye!